Is it time to buy or sell Supermicrocomputer stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Supermicrocomputer. Our initial report was published on our website on the 5th of May, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You certainly do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 30th of April, 2025, our system has categorized Supermicrocomputer as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.49. Now, let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Interestingly, the stock has outperformed our system's predictions, showing a gain of 0.97%. This results in an average return of 0.24% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further potential decreases within this trend. Currently, the 3-month trend suggests a possible change of negative 25.64% over the next 3 months, with a potential return ranging from negative 58.75% to positive 7.23%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 54.19%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from negative 100% to negative 31.20% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $22.13. Our latest daily update for Supermicrocomputer features the headline, Supermicrocomputer stock price down 4.57% on Monday. The Supermicrocomputer stock price decreased by 4.57% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 5th of May, 2025, dropping from $33.71 to $32.17. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.23%, with a low of $32.13 and a high of $33.49. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and has increased by 9.01% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, the trading volume also decreased on the last day, which can be seen as a positive indicator as volume typically follows the stock. On that day, the trading volume fell by 11 million shares, with a total of 33 million shares exchanged, amounting to approximately $1.07 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $101.40, while the lowest price was $17.25. Currently, the price stands at 68.27%, or $69.23, below the 52-week high, and 73.82%, or $90.73, below the all-time high recorded on the 8th of March, 2024, when the price reached $122.90. Supermicrocomputer Incorporated, known by the ticker SMCI, is currently navigating a challenging environment following mixed earnings results and significant fluctuations in its stock price. Recently, shares have declined by approximately 2/3 over the past year due to initial pre-announcements of disappointing fiscal third-quarter results, with revenue falling short of projections at $4.5 to $4.6 billion, against expectations of $5 to $6 billion. Despite an 18% year-over-year growth, the downgrade in profit and compression of margins have raised concerns among investors. Market sentiment appears cautious, as the stock has faced a series of sell-offs, including a notable 12% drop in a single day. However, analysts suggest that this volatility may present buying opportunities for those with a long-term perspective, especially in light of the expanding artificial intelligence market. There are positive indicators, such as the potential growth of the server and storage sector, driven by advancements in artificial intelligence, which could support Supermicro's recovery. In the short term, we can expect continued pressure on SMCI shares as macroeconomic concerns and fears of recession persist. However, Looking to the future, Supermicro's ongoing efforts to diversify its supply chain away from NVIDIA graphics processing units may help mitigate risks and enhance stability. Investors may want to adopt a strategic outlook, balancing the current volatility with the fundamentals that signal a potentially brighter horizon. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 10th of March, 2025, it was reported that Goldman Sachs assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a hold grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 18th of February, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned SMCI a buy grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SMCI a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 6th of November, 2024, it was reported that Needham assigned SMCI a mixed grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general buy rating to Supermicro stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as buy and the price-to-book ratio as neutral. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Supermicro. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term development of the stock. Currently, Supermicro presents sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic outlook. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. On upward corrections, resistance may be encountered around the levels of $34.32 and $34.95. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and the stock has since declined by 46.61%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. The trading volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk as volume typically follows price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 53 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 41 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 16 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Supermicro. Supermicro finds support from accumulated volume at $31.86. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when this support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a substantial prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.36 between its high and low, representing a change of 4.23%. For the past week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 6.4%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Supermicro, let's quickly discuss some important fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This key metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may indicate either a lack of future growth expectations for the company or suggest that the stock is undervalued, highlighting a possible buying opportunity. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of May, 2025. Analysts are collectively estimating earnings of approximately $430,000 per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Supermicro. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Supermicro is at $39.14. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this may be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Supermicro encounters its first support level at $31.86. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as an attractive entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Supermicro from multiple analyst sources is buy. Let's take a look at some recent insider trades. On the 22nd of April, 2025, Lu Liang Chu Sarah conducted an insider buy of 3 million shares of employee stock option, which is the right to buy. On the same day, Liang Charles conducted an insider buy of 3 million shares of employee stock option, which is the right to buy. On the 31st of March, 2025, Angel Scott conducted an insider buy of 0 shares. On the 28th of February, 2025, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider buy of 13,600 shares of common stock. On the same day, Blair Robert L. conducted an insider sell of 13,600 shares of stock option, which is the right to buy. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of approximately 79.646. Overall, insiders purchased 10,013,557 shares and sold 1,232,662 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment for this stock is unfavorable, and we have not established a stop loss. Is Supermicro stock a good buy? Supermicro shows several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 6th of May, we expect Supermicro to open higher by approximately 427 0.1 and begin trading at $32.60. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Investment decisions should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.